Oh my god, I want to scream. Hi, my name is Ruby, and I thought I was filming for the last 10 minutes, but I wasn't. So let's start again, except I'm not taking any of my makeup off because that sounds like a pain in the ass and I don't want to do that. So it'll just be slightly shorter, and also I'll just go over everything I just talked about already. I will do my intro. My name is Ruby. Well, my name is Rubbish Ruby, but you can call me Ruby unless you fucking hate me. Then you can call me Rubbish Ruby. I've made it very easy for you to hate me. You're welcome. I know, I'm great. I'm really always quite prepared. Today, I'm going to a party. That's what we're getting ready for. It's a birthday party, and I was informed to wear pink, so of course, I'm going to go crazy and wear as much pink as I fucking can. Because slay. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna talk about, oh yeah. Subscribe to me on YouTube if you like chatty videos and crafting and that sort of thing, because that's kind of the content that I'm creating, and I'm trying to be more consistent. I just had a really big depressive spell, which is why you haven't seen me post for a while, and this video is probably like, I'll have like, what, 2 videos out or something? 2 videos? No, 2 weeks. I'll have 2 weeks out where I didn't have videos. So I apologize if anyone cared. I don't think I'm big enough for people to really give that much of a shit, but nonetheless, I'm apologizing to anyone who might care. I'm trying. All I've been doing is sleeping for the past like 2 weeks, so, you know, not much time to do anything when you're sleeping constantly, which is really fun. And yeah, I got off of my medication, and because I was having an issue, you probably noticed in my last videos, I shake a lot. Part of that is because of my meds, I believe. And so I went off of them completely with a doctor's help, of course, and just wanted to see if my shakiness was better, and of course it is significantly better, I think. I'm still a little shaky, but not that bad. But the issue is that those meds really helped my brain, like significantly helped my brain. So I'm very frustrated because now I'm off these meds and I'm depressed as fuck again, and I can't do anything. But I literally feel like I was borderline like disabled with how shaky I was, because like I couldn't do things, and I'm like, is it worth it though? Would it be worth it to go back on them? I don't know. Part of me wants to, but the other part of me is like, it was really frustrating. Like I couldn't do my makeup as well. I couldn't do a lot of the things that I wanted to do. So I don't know, there's that. But I also was talking about going to this party, and I was talking about being in your hoe phase, or like your era where you dress really slutty, you know, when you're like in your 20s usually. I feel like I never really I've always dressed weird, so I feel like I have a weird feeling, a weird opinion, a weird perspective. I don't know, I feel weird about having a hoe phase. Not for other people. Other people can do whatever the fuck they want, but like, I like to be so in control of like my body and how it's perceived that I feel like dressing like a whore is kind of hard for me, but it's also something that I want to do. I don't know if that makes any sense. But like, I always wear shorts under my skirts. Like, I always wear shit so I don't like flash anyone or no one sees anything, and I just feel like, why do I care so much about like what I look like, I guess, and what people see? I'm not saying I'm gonna go out and like be naked, because like, what the fuck? I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm just kind of rambling. I'll show you guys the fit once I'm done with my makeup, and also once I get my like hair situated. My eyebrows have been growing out, and I should have probably trimmed them, but I didn't, like an idiot. But also, if anyone else like has feelings on being in a hoe phase or wants to talk about it, please do, because I am really interested in other people's experiences and like other people's perspectives on being in a hoe phase and what that means to them, because I feel like there's a lot of like body reclamation. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but I feel like there's a lot of that, because it's, you know, taking control of your body, and like you are deciding how people can perceive your body. And so I think a lot of the reason that I feel weird about it is because I have been sexually assaulted, and that has just affected me so badly. Who would have thought? So I have a really hard time with being comfortable with my body, or liking my body, or in general feeling at peace with my body. So I don't know, that's something this year that I'm really trying to do. It's already like halfway through the year though. Fuck. But that's something that I'm kind of trying to do, is get more in tune with my body and like letting my body be my body and just letting it do its thing, and not trying to like constantly change it. And it's just kind of hard, you know? I don't know. I grew up in the fucking early 2000s, I guess, yeah, early 2000s. Heroin chic was a fun time, and that was like what I grew up by. What I grew up seeing was fucking heroin chic. I remember literally watching America's Next Top Model when I was a kid, and I remember after like an episode, I like went up to my room and I was just staring at myself, and I was like so fucking judgmental with myself, and I was so young. Like there's no reason why like a fucking 8-year-old should be sitting in the like mirror picking apart their body when they don't even fucking like bruh, you know what I mean? It's crazy to me that I did that, and it's fucked up, and it makes me feel sad because like I should have just been enjoying being a child at that point. I should not have been so concerned about how I fucking look. I don't know. I get really irritated by it because it's like, why the fuck did I watch that shit? Like, why? I'm using a palette from Thou Who Shall Not Be Named. I've said this before in the past, and I will say it again. I'm gonna use the palette because I already paid for it, and quite frankly, I'm gonna get my use out of it. And yeah, I haven't bought anything from this person for a very long time, and we're not even discussing the name of the palette, okay? We're just going for some pinks. I'm using some white as like a base because I think that really helps with like getting the texture right on your eyes. I don't know if I said I was doing a pink look. Did I say that the party was like pink? The birthday girl was like, we're pink, bitch, to everyone, except like not aggressive like that. I'm going to do a pink look. I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I really kind of want to do like a eyeliner and then like a pink line, like some kind of pink something. I was gonna do a makeup look based on Jupiter initially. That was what my husband recommended I do. I like the like outliney thing. I like that. So I think I'm gonna try and do something like that because I think it will look cute. I think I need a more pastel pink though. There are some pinks in here that I think will be good for this look. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do something like that. See, it has the like light pinks in here. I think I'm gonna use these. I think I need a different brush though. I think I need one more that's gonna pack this on because I feel like it's gonna be really, really hard to... I don't know how well this eyeshadow palette is gonna hold up, you know? Because sometimes there are just palettes that are just, you know, obviously more for the aesthetics than anything else. Because I don't know if this is gonna get as pink as I want. Oh, there we go. That's kind of more what I was hoping for. I need to just shape it. So I want to get the base down really well and then add that like darker pink as a line. It does this sort of thing. And then I also need to make it more sparkly, which I think should be relatively easy. I think I know what I'm doing here. I don't really know. I haven't done a makeup look like this before, I don't think. I'm also debating if I want to do eyelashes. I feel like I'm going full horror, so I really should. But sometimes I'm just like, I really fucking hate eyelashes sometimes. Just because they're like slightly uncomfortable occasionally. If I put them on wrong, they're uncomfortable. And I don't want to risk putting them on wrong. I hope that makes sense. Oh my god, I have so much fallout. This is my biggest tip for fallout. Get a big fluffy brush and just brush it away. And it's fine. And it's never even happened. It wasn't even there. It was never even there, I swear. I've been really depressed lately. I think I already said that, didn't I? I don't know. I just want to make it clear that I've been fucking depressed lately, and it sucks. Because I was doing so well with my medication, where it's like, I feel like I was actually getting somewhere with being able to be productive again and like doing things that I enjoy. And of course I have to fucking get off the meds and depressed. Like, of course I had to get off the meds. The one meds that were working for me had to get off. Great. Love that so much. Yeah, and I talked to my therapist and she's like, you should probably try to go get on those meds. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not wrong. You're really not wrong, but also like it sounds really annoying to have to do all of that. I'm also using this ColourPop, this Tarte palette, a little juicy. It's got a lot of pinks in there too, which is what I'm going for. And then I'm gonna use this white eyeliner thing to draw out like the part of the eye, the like darker part, because I think it'll make it look a little bit like more intentional and bright. Do we see? I need to get a new ring light still, y'all, so I'm sorry about that. Shitty lighting. I am broke. I definitely could afford a light. I just haven't decided to buy one yet. There we go. I think that looks good. And then I just have to add a darker color to it. I think I'm gonna use like this mauve-y color, I think. Maybe I use a different brush. That brush isn't really doing what I want it to do. And then I'm just gonna fill in. I think that's working out okay. I'm kind of serving right now, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, this makeup look is kind of turning out really good. What the fuck? I love my confidence in myself, but also my utter lack of confidence in myself is really funny to me. I'm like my worst enemy, but also my biggest fan. Okay, hello, I'm back. My camera overheated. But I finished up the eye look, I think. Can I bring it over here? I finished up the eye look. Sorry about the shitty lighting, but I figured it out. I had to fuck around with the lighting, or with the lighter color a lot, which I actually ended up using. I haven't bought anything from MAC in a long time, but I don't think they're animal cruelty free still. But I used the MAC Prep and Prime. I sprayed the brush and then used it on the lighter colors, because this palette is definitely more of like a collector thing, the Aristocats. It's cute and it had the color I wanted, but it just was not giving. But that's okay. I'm gonna put on some more highlight as well, specifically a pink highlight, because I want it to be a little bit more pinky. And I think I want to do some glitter too. I was hoping I had like little glitter, like, what's the word, like little glitter dots or something, but I don't have that, so I think I'm just gonna like kind of add glitter like this, add a little bit of some glitter there, and maybe underneath the eyes too. I think would look cute. Like I'm crying glitter. I also know that I need a pink ass lipstick. I feel like I want to find a good lipstick that's pink but not too like painfully pink. Would this be cute? I don't know. This is more of like a mauve. I think this would look cute though with the look. I think this is the Ariana Grande, or I guess Rem Beauty Drive-In Movie color. And I think I'm going to use a lip liner first, because that always works really well. I need to sharpen this actually. If you guys have any favorite like lip, I love lip products. I feel like lip products is like the one thing that I'm really willing to spend money on, because I feel like it's so easy to fuck them up. Because like you need to really make sure that this shit is gonna like last and stand up to the test, you know? Right now I'm watching The Walking Dead, and I recently started some of the newer series that they have with like Rick and Michonne and all of that. I'm so fucking obsessed with the stupid universe. We're gonna be doing a D&D campaign. I just got fucking lipstick on my lips, on my teeth. I think I might have fucked up. Guys. Okay, there we go. That looks a hell of a lot more normal than what it looked like before. Jesus Christ. I don't know what lashes I want to wear. I think I'll just wear these ones. Why not? I'm trying to decide what I want. So we're doing our D&D campaign. Walking Dead D&D campaign. Very slay. I don't know what kind of character I want to play, because like part of me wants to play like myself, because I think that could be kind of fun, but also like D&D is supposed to be kind of like, you know, away from yourself, and you know, you're supposed to get away from yourself. So I just don't know if I want to be a dumb bimbo or like a real bad bitch, you know, because I love the characters in like zombie shows or like post-apocalyptic shows that are relatable, but like there's some of the dumb ones. Like I feel like I could be a dumbass. I'm really good at pretending to be, I mean, I'm good at being a dumbass. Because, like, one of my first characters that really got me, like, more comfortable with D&D was, like, the fucking dumbest ass character. She was so fucking stupid. But it just was so easy for me to roleplay because I just didn't have to know what was going on. And I didn't have to think too hard. And I think that I like playing dumb, kind of brainless characters. Because it's kind of nice to just turn the brain off. Turn the brain off. Oh my god, I didn't do eyeliner, guys. I didn't do fucking eyeliner. I don't know how this is gonna look then with these lashes. I don't know how these lashes are gonna go on. Guys, how did you make me forget fucking eyeliner? Did this person have eyeliner? Or did I genuinely just forget like that? I don't know how I forgot my eyeliner, y'all. Ridiculous. Here, wait, let's see. We're gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner. Let's hope my shakiness isn't god-awful today, because if it is, fuck me, I guess, right? So I'm just gonna go for it. I always draw the outside, and then I kind of connect it. If you guys want like a more specific video on it, feel free to ask. This is really truly some speed liner. Why did oh fuck me, I got lipstick on my face. Yeah, how did I get fucking lipstick on my face? Jesus Christ. I feel like that eyeliner makes sense. So we're gonna try and do the lashes now, praying that these actually go on well. I don't know if it's sticky enough or not. Does it look cunty? Do I look cunt? I kind of feel like it's serving. I'll show you guys the full fit, and when my hair's done, I'll be right back. I don't know why I go in my kitchen to do my outfit videos, because there's just fucking Lego everywhere, and I mean, it looks nice. It was cleaned, not by me, so slay. This is the fit though that I went with. I got this new skirt like on Depop recently, and I always wanted to try a skirt like this, but I was really stressed out because I don't have a flat tummy. And I was stressed out that I was going to hate the way I looked in it. but kind of serving cunt if I do say so myself. I don't know what brand it is though. What brand is this? I don't fucking know. It's on my butt cheeks. I don't want to go there right now. This I think I got from Forever 21, and then this top I made myself. And then the shoes I'm wearing. How can I do this without flashing everyone? These are the shoes I'm wearing. I think I got them. Where did I get them from? I don't know where I got them from, but they're cute and I feel like they match the vibe. Here's the fit with the shoes. But yeah, this is the vibe. Fingers crossed I don't piss myself and change out of this outfit 10 minutes before I have to leave, because I feel like that sounds like something I would do. So I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know if I change. But yes, here's the fit, the makeup. Is the eye? Oh my god, my eyelash isn't even fucking on my head. I might have to reattach those. I didn't think they would have dried that fast, but whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I can live my little dreams of just being a creator and making things all the time, because that would be slay. But anyways, see you in the next one, maybe.